Greetings, Marble. We're going to be looking at how we can use shape right here in our PowerPoint presentation here. So the first thing that we wanted to do is to select a blank right here, right here. So notice, you show a heading, but we want a blank slide. I'm going to come right here that says slideshow. And I click on it down arrow. Notice it's a blank right here. Good. So it's right here. So what you're looking at is how to use shape right in a PowerPoint. So we're going to come all the way right here. That's it, insert. Now when you click on the insert right here, this is selfish shape. You notice this is selfish shape. You're going to click on the pointer right here. Notice there's a different type of shape right here. And actually come right here and scroll up and all that. So if I click on one of these, you notice as soon as I put it on the slide right, you notice it become a plus. I'm going to hold on the left side of the mouse and touch pad and can carry it to the right and left. And this is exactly how it look like. Right here, you know, just when I let it go, you notice we got the formatting tool right here. Right, so if I come right here, come right at the pointer right here. If I put the cursor up right here, notice it changed. Let me shift it out so that I can actually see it properly. All right, let's go back right here. If you notice, each one I put it on, and notice it actually changed right here. Definitely. All right, very important right there. All right, so I'm going to go right here. Notice it show up right here. Going to click. All right, I'm going to draw a circle like that. Just the same. So come back again and click. All right, I'm going to draw a different circle like that. If you notice, definitely, that's a circle right here. What it look like. All right, good. Like that. You have that circle right there. So I want to do it like a little Venn diagram like. So come right up here. So this is selfish, shape face. If I click right it on shape face, I'm going to come right to say no fill. Notice immediately you can see it right inside here. But if you want it to cross again, I click right here. I come right up here, say shape fill. I say no fill. So definitely, you notice it actually cross one and I can actually move it just the same, move it out just the same and do the same thing, just likewise like that. So this is how you can actually use some of these shape right here in your PowerPoint. You can also use that in a kind of merge shape. All right, let me click this one. I want to move this, so just click on it and press the backspace and it gone. All right, I'm going to go to insert. I'm going to insert a different one. I'm going to show you exactly where you can work that one. I'm going to get a circle. So I'm going to draw it just like that. You notice, and I draw it just like that now. All right, let me get the next one. And I'm going to put it right here. All right, let me draw about this over here and put it right here. All right, so what I want to do, I want to highlight both of them. So I'm going to hold on the shift key. All right, and notice both of them highlight. But if you notice to the left, you notice right here, it's a merge shape. If I click on the little pointer, you notice what you will see. You see the word union, you see combine, right? You see fragrant, right? Interest rate is subtract. If you notice, if I now click on union, it actually join them up together, right? If you notice, I click on combine, you notice it actually cut off piece in the middle. All right, let me try that one. You notice in the middle right here, and if I come right here, notice cut off piece in the middle. All right, so if I go back now, I'm going to undo it, click it. If I undo it, I'm going to come right up here and click. Good, notice undo, I'm going to come right here, so back again. All right, so if I come right here and I click on this one right here, you notice definitely come like that. The enemy now, I can put the cursor in the middle and also actually take out piece from in the middle. I can actually put it back in the middle just like that. All right, I'm going to undo this one again now. I'm coming down the line, just the same. All right, good. Notice click back point again. All right, if you notice this one is gone, I notice this one subtract. You notice? Definitely have two right here. All right, let me come back again. All right, if you notice, subtract, you notice, definitely you can do the shape in different ways and all of that. So this is where you can actually use shape right in your PowerPoint presentation right here. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.